If you are a YouTuber, then you might already know the importance of telling your viewers to take action, to like the video or subscribe your channel or leave something in the comments or click on the link in the description or any other call to action. If you are not already doing that, then you must start doing that immediately. But telling your audience to like, subscribe or take any other call to action is not simply enough. The chances of your viewers to take action dramatically increases when you combine your request with the visual elements like subscribe button, animated text, lower thirds or animated buttons, etc. Earlier I didn't know the know-how of the animations, and I'm sure most of us don't know. I used to spend hours in my video editing software like Premiere Pro creating my own like, subscribe button, animated text, etc. And even after that, the end result was not that great. So that was even more frustrating. Then one day I found a pre-made done for you motion graphic pack which has a drag and drop feature. So all you have to do, just drag and drop these elements over your videos which are professionally made, like animated text, animated buttons or any other call to actions like lower thirds, etc. and you are good to go. YouTube Essential Graphics Pack is one of that pack which has at this moment 220 plus motion graphics templates like openers, lower thirds, social media graphics, like, subscribe button and much more. So all of these are very easy to use. So no matter which software you are using, whether you are using the Premiere Pro, whether you are using the Final Cut or whether you are using the DaVinci Resolve, it is available for all these. This pack can take your videos to the next level and you can easily build your subscribers on YouTube. You can get this pack from Easy Edit or from the VideoHive. The download link or the buy link is in the description section below. So now let me show you how you can use it. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, so after downloading, you will get a zip file something like this, 39 YouTube Essential Library version 5, or maybe if you are downloading it at later time, you might have a different or the latest version. So anyway, you need to extract it using any unzip software like WinRR or 7zip. Thereafter, you will get this folder and you need to open this folder. Inside this folder, just open it and you have all these folders right over here and files. So first one is the tutorial. So if you have any problem or if you want to go through how it works, or then you can check out all of these tutorials. It has some video tutorials, some links for materials, so you can see all of these fonts, music, review videos and all are there, right? Okay, so you can just download and install those fonts if needed. Otherwise you can watch this video. So if you don't want to go through the tutorial, then we have the easy edit viewer. Go back and for Premiere Pro, so if you are using it for Premiere Pro, then we have all of these. Okay, so we need to install this. Okay, so this is a EV file and then we have some previews. These are the previews. So now let's install this EV. In order to install this extension, we need to go to the tutorial folder and inside this folder you have this internet shortcuts. So just open this and so this would show you how you can install in Windows, Mac or other options. So we'll just go for this one, how to install Easy Edit for Windows. You just need to click on this Easy Edit helper. So just click on this and that's going to open this page, and this page is not found. You might get this, but I would ask them to fix this. And if you click on the go back home, and then you have the option of viewer on the top. So just click on this and thereafter this page would be open. So you can download it for Windows or you can download it for the Mac. I have the Windows, so I'm going to click on the download for Windows and open the folder wherever you have downloaded it. Again, you need to extract it. So I'm going to extract it, and inside this you will find this folder and click on this Easy Edit Helper 1.1. Open it and this is the exe file. So just double click, that's going to start installing it and you can run Easy Edit Helper. So you can click on the continue. So you can install, click on the assets to install. So it's going to install the free assets which are available. All right, so like images, videos, so which are free, you can use them in your own project. Once it is completed, you might get this option update to 3.1.6. okay, so you can click and it's going to update. It might take a little while. Alright, once done, just press the close and then go to the Adobe Premiere Pro, go to the Windows and select the extensions. Why extensions are not visible over here? Alright, so if your extension is not visible, make sure you close the Premiere Pro, otherwise it's not going to show up in the extension. So we need to install it again. So I'll go to the exe file and then again I will do the setup. So let it install and then click on the finish and you can see it has been installed, and just close it and launch the Premiere Pro. Let's see now this time the extension appears over there or not. This time this extension is available. Go to the Windows extension and this is the easy edit viewer. Just click on this and this is going to open a new panel, and let me place this panel, drag and drop on the essential graphics itself. Alright, so maybe right over here, and here we need to install .ev file. So we need to go back to the downloaded folder. So inside the downloaded folder there is a for Premiere Pro folder, okay, this one, and there is .ev file. So we need to drop this on that and drop it over here, and that's going to install it, and then it's going to ask you the email ID. Alright, so just enter your VideoHive email ID or from wherever you have downloaded it, and here you need to paste the purchase code. You can get it from the downloaded option on the website itself. So let me paste here mine, click on the activate, and once it is done you can see right over here we have all those assets, so you can check them out. So you can see all of these are openers, so you can see the preview as well, bumpers, lower thirds, links, subscription, all. So now it's easy and simple to use. So I have a sequence right over here. Just look at this. So I want to place, let's say, let's go for the subscribe button. Alright, so I want to place this one. Okay, suppose if I like this one, I'll click on this and it would start importing it. So not drag and drop, just click and it's going to import it. And now if you just play it, you can see this is how it comes, and boom. So this is how it works. Let me just delete it, and if suppose I want to place this one, click on this and it's going to import, and it would import it from where you have your playhead. So make sure you place your playhead at the appropriate position or wherever you want to import it. And let's play this. So you can see like, subscribe and all notifications. All right, so now let me delete this one. Let's go for let's bring this one, links. So let's play it, and this is the link. So we can replace this text with our own. For that purpose we need to go to the essential graphics, and in the edit panel we have these option to change it. So I'll write my name over here, okay, and this would be updated over here. And if you want to customize it, you have all other options. You can change its text, you can change all of these fonts, bold or italic, you can scale the font up or down, okay, and you can change the main configuration. So right, so you can scale it up or scale it down. You can scale the text, okay, you can scale the social media icon, you can change the social media icon. So suppose over here you have this Pinterest, and if you drag this social media icon to 1, it would be the Pinterest, and if you scale this one, it's going to be, you can see, Instagram and Facebook, and you have to keep on dragging it and you will find the social media icon which you want, okay. And then we have the option to change this color as well. So we can change the text color, so we can change it to something else like this one, okay. We can change the background color, okay, let's make the text white, and we can change this box color as well. So let me just make it something like this. All right, so you can see we can fully customize all of these options. So let me delete it and let me show you something else. So we'll once again go back to the easy edit viewer, and this time let's go for the lower third, and we have so many lower thirds. So let's go for something like this. I like this one, so I'll click on this and that would be imported over here. So now let's play and see the preview. So you can see this comes, and you can change all of these text. So customize it. In order to customize it, you have to click on this and then go to the essential graphics. Once again, in the edit panel you have these options. So you can write your own text. Again, you can change the source text, You can change colors and everything as I have already shown you, right? So now let's go back and see. We have many lower thirds, then we have the bumpers. So bumpers, in the bumpers, let me show you how you can use the bumpers. So if we like this bumper, suppose this one, so I'll click on this, and these are the fonts which are missing. You can download these fonts, otherwise we can change it to something else. All right, otherwise even the Premiere Pro has the option to change it to your default font. Okay, so you will get this over here on your timeline. So if you just play it, so we can place our content right over here. So for that purpose we need to click on this. So this is a nest folder. So if you just open it, you will find all of these folders. So all of these greens are the placeholders. Okay, so we have the placeholder 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so click on the first one, just double click it, and we need to replace this image with our video. So let's place this car over here, and we can adjust its scale and everything. So let's scale it up, go to the effects control, scale this, maybe something like this, and just its position, save it. Now let's go back to the placeholder, next placeholder number 3. And now if we just go back and if we play it, just notice this one. It has replaced all those footage, and we can change this name as well. So again we need to go inside the nest, and over here we click on the bumper 01. This is the pink one. Just open it. Again we need to go to the essential graphics panel, and we can change this to our name. And now if we just play it, alright, so this time it has our own text. So this is how we can change it. So it has so many things. So go back to easy edit viewer, and you can see we have these options and screen as well. So if your video ends somewhere over here, then you can add these end screens. So we can import this one. Again, it might show you some warning of missing fonts, but don't worry. And let's play this. Okay, and we can replace this content. We need to just double click this nested folder, and this is the placeholder 1. Just open it and place our own clip over here. Alright, so I've placed this one, and we can even change the text. So for text you need to click on the pink folder or pink nested clip, and again this would open up over here in the essential graphics, and you can type your text or you can customize your text in any way you want. All right, so you can just say vlog number 1 from my fashion week, or you can write anything you want, and you can even add the timing or the day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So whatever you want, you can just add that as well, and that would show up on your video. So you can place this on your video, place this inside it, and let's play. And now you can see this would show up on your videos on this side, and that way you can engage your viewers for your next video. Alright, so easy edit has so many things. We have the infographics as well. Alright, animated infographics, subtitles, we have the stories, Instagram stories or YouTube stories, we have some placeholders. Okay, we can even use them as well. We have some frames. Okay, so this kind of a frame. We have some backgrounds, we can use these backgrounds. End screen, so these are end screen, we have already seen them. Credits, transitions, so we have some transitions as well. You can use these transitions, and other elements like arrows, okay, etc. So all of these are very essential, like these burst elements. So these are very helpful for creating YouTube videos. And then we have these stickers. So stickers are also very useful to add some emotions to your videos. And then SFX, then we have some sound effects as well, so you can use these sound effects. So finally I can say that this is a very amazing pack, and it has all of the graphics which you need. You have all these openers, you have bumpers, you have lower thirds, you have subscribe button, you have info bars, you have some typography, you have some quotes, and you have some end screen, you have these stories. So this is a fully loaded bundle. So if you are interested in getting this, you can download it and use it. You can get it right now. The link is in the description section below.
If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you want to know how to add cool transitions in the Premiere Pro with just drag and drop features, then check out this video right now on your screen, or the link is in the description section below, where you can easily add the cool seamless transitions on your videos and take your videos to the next level. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.